Hello students, in the last video we have seen about weather and climate. What is weather and what is climate, and we have started with the factors that determine climate. So means the factors that help to form the climate. So distance from the equator. So we have seen the distance. So we have seen the center, and this all we have seen how the slanting rays makes to low the climate, means it helps to cool the climate, and the direct sun rays, which are sun rays on the equator, we have hot climate. So we have seen this. Now today we will see how the height above the sea level forms to determine the climate and the weather. The height of a place above the sea level is called the altitude of that place. The higher we go, the cooler it gets. Places located at higher altitude are cooler than places located in the lower altitude. For example, Bangalore and Chennai are almost on the same latitude. Means Bangalore and Chennai are of the same latitude. You can see here. So Bangalore is there nearby. Bangalore is on the Bangalore and Chennai. Chennai is more near to the sea, and Bangalore is far away from the sea. Therefore, Bangalore has the climate of cool climate, and whereas Chennai is having very hot climate. So that's why we come to know the distance from the sea. So even distance also plays an important role to determine the climate. Places closer to the sea are neither very hot nor cold, whereas places far away from the sea have extreme climate. So Delhi, for example, Mumbai and Chennai, they are near to the sea. That's why Mangalore, M-A-N-G-L-O-R-E, Mangalore, I am speaking Mangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, they are near to the sea. So you can see they are near to the sea. So they are at the coastal areas. So this means near to the sea. So they have what they have. They are neither cold nor hot. But if you go to Delhi or Bangalore, they are far away from the sea. So Delhi is very far away from the sea. It is very cold in winter and very hot in summer because of the far distance from the sea coast. So in the summer, the breeze from the sea cools the hot air on the land, while in winter the warm breezes from the sea prevents the air on the land from getting cold. So sea breeze is warm because water cools down slowly. That is why Mumbai, which is near the sea, experiences a moderate temperature. Moderate means medium climate or a bit of hot climate, you can say, throughout the year. But if you compare to Bangalore or Delhi, we have too cold in winter and too hot in summer because of the distance that we come across with these places. Now, direction of the wind. Even winds influence the climate. Let us see. Winds influence the weather of a place depending on the place of their origin. The wind coming from cold region decrease the temperature of the region, whereas the wind coming from hot region increase the temperature of the region. The wind coming from the sea make the region humid. So the places which, for example, the Himalayas, you can see here, the wind blow from here. So these areas are more cold near to the Himalaya, whereas the wind which is warm towards the sea, they have bit of hot climate. So even the wind blowing from which direction or from where it blows depends on the places. Even it affects the climate of those areas. So now the last part of this is we will go with humidity. What is humidity? See here. Humidity means the amount of moisture of water vapor in the air is called humidity. What is humidity? The moisture of water vapor in the air is called humidity. It affects the climate of a place. Wind blowing from the sea have a lot of moisture in them. That is why places near to the sea such as Mumbai and Chennai are very humid. Humid in the sense they are hot and sweaty. Means most of the people in Mumbai and Chennai they take often bath, they don't feel cold all the time, they feel hot or humid, or what we call the sweaty. So the rainfall that a place receives also depends on the level of the humidity in the air. So here, if wherever the monsoon, due to humidity we have heavy rain. So for example, in the Konkan areas and the coastal areas, we have heavy rain due to more hot, more humidity leads to more rainfall. So this is what you understood, what is humidity, how the climate affect maybe the sea, maybe the level of the sea, maybe the distance of the sea, maybe the blowing of the wind, maybe the humidity. So these are all factors which determine the climate. I think you understood. Remaining part we will see heat zones in the next class. Heat zones in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.